Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and I got a quick cruise news story I want to share with y'all real quick. Celebrity Cruise Lines, well, they have updated their mask policy as well. They joined Norwegian Cruise Lines and Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and in the fact that they will no longer require masks for vaccinated passengers. Okay, now there is a little caveat to that. There is a little exception to that, and I'm definitely going to share that with you guys. So beginning tomorrow, February the 12th, fully vaccinated passengers will no longer be required to wear masks indoors on Celebrity Cruise Lines, with the exception of the theater and the casino. Due to both those venues have a tendency to be extremely crowded, social distancing is almost impossible, especially when entering and exiting. So you will still have to wear the mask in the theater and in the casino, but all other areas indoors, you won't have to wear the mask. Now, unvaccinated and children will still have to wear the mask at all times, except when actively eating, drinking, or in their stateroom, and crew members will continue to wear the mask as well. So I just wanted to share that story with you, particularly if you are going on a celebrity cruise come this weekend. And of course, you'll still have to have the mask with you. You need it for embarkation in the cruise terminal, for disembarkation, any ports that may require it, and of course the theater and the casino. But it is another step in the right direction, another cruise line going forward with no masks for the fully vaccinated. And we continue to watch and see which other cruise lines are now going to follow along. For those that are waiting to hear about Carnival Cruise Lines, well, I did check their website. I did check their health and safety protocols. And so far, as of making this video, they have had no updates and no change to their masking policy, but we will keep an eye out on it. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.